Good morning. We early in the morning here, and here's our chickens, and I'm going to give freedom to our little. We're going to give freedom to Hillary, Donald, Barack, Obama, and Michelle. Come on. It's their first time to came out. Come on, you go out, come on, you go out. You go out. You don't know how to go out. You go out. Come on, go out. Yeah, they're not like the other ducks, you know. They're a little weird. Come on, go out. See, it's their, they don't know the word freedom. Come on, go out. So this is our little farm. Our political plant name is bigger now, and we give them freedom. Yeah. So please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Have a good day. Good morning. And this is Pedring. Pedring. Come on. Come on. Come on.